Well,
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
cool. Let me just go and get the coffee. What the heck? Okay.
Okay, so today's video is about a quick guide to make your PC look damn cool. Here we go. Okay, so you guys asked me for it, so I'm making a video on it. How to do that thing. First go to sound, then click that box, and now go to your files. Links in the description of the sound changer thing. Download this and then open it. And now just click on replace and choose any wave file that you have.
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
Now that we have this, now that's it. That's my wave file. You can make anything that you want to, but this is mine. And now for wallpaper, go to the Microsoft Store and search up Lively Wallpaper. Now install that, and I have already installed it, so I have to launch it. Then select any wallpaper you want. They have good presets too. So after downloading this is like a custom, mine is a custom one, but I'll show you how to get the custom ones too. So it's damn easy. I'll be giving some links in the description for a few of the customs that I really like, and I'll be giving you Google ka link, like Google Drive ka link, so that you guys can have like a safer way to get it. But these are some presets that I'm showing off. And the best one is the jellyfish, personally. It's like too calming, and yeah. And then how to add your own. You can either use browse feature, or you can just copy paste a link from YouTube. So all you have to search on YouTube is live wallpaper for PC video, and then you will get these kind of videos, and you have to just copy those links and just paste it in here and name it whatever you want to. I'll just name it what the wallpaper is meant to be named, and then save it as a zip file so you can reuse it, and close. And now you have the wallpaper. That's damn easy, right? Thanks for watching, and use your brains to get the other wallpaper which I was using. You can also use sound and all that. App is lamp customizable, and you'll enjoy. Peace out. And I just saved a lot of your money, so thank me by sharing the
Go
video.
and get the coffee. What the heck? Okay.